doing
That's
here?
so funny. The Santa Clausmopolitan. That's what we're making today. For me, because she's drinking a martini, she's drinking Carrabba's Blackberry Sangria. So, obviously I need something to drink while we're home making Christmas cookies. These are my daughters. They're home for the holidays. We're making Christmas cookies and drinking.
Just good family fun.
Are we rolling?
Yep.
Oh. Are you going to make the announcement or me?
Wait.
What announcement?
She hasn't showered in 3 days.
I have not.
What you're going to need to make these: vodka, cranberry juice, triple sec, and lime juice.
And some Christmas cheer.
Lots of Christmas cheer. And you're going to need some sugar and a martini glass. And since we're baking cookies, we're going to spice this up with some red and green sugar also. So let's get this rim on the glass. Just dunk it in a little water here. Look at that. Look at how festive that looks.
So pretty.
Now let's make this drink. So the first thing we're going to use is vodka. 1 part vodka. We're using an extra tall glass. I guess snacks, while I'm doing all the work, are definitely in order. 1.5 parts cranberry juice.
Would you like it now? You don't get the Hershey Kisses, mine.
Christmas cookies are good.
Hey, give me.
The dogs want
That's
some.
Kimber.
1/4 part triple sec
And Max.
and 1/4 part lime juice. Definitely don't overdo it on the lime juice, because it'll taste real limey. That's perfect. Look at that glass. That looks beautiful. Alright, can you get me some ice? We're going to fill this with ice before we shake it. This is the cropped part.
That is not good after chocolate.
Are you serious with me right now? Alright, we got a little ice in our shaker. We're going to shake this. Just a good mixing. Pour into your martini glass. And if you want to, you can top with cranberries, or we're going to leave it as it is. Look at that gorgeous drink right there. Alright, so there's a beautiful drink. Let's taste this out. Cheers. Everybody have a happy holiday. Can you not ding
sorry.
and just... Alright.
Ding dong.
Alright.
Down
That's
and
Halloween.
in.
Yep. One thing left to do, that's taste this drink.
Chug, 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 chug.
Mm.
I think this is more of a sipper.
That's a fine, tasty drink right there. I appreciate you stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already,
Can I lick the edge of that?
and then click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Thanks for stopping. I'm going to finish this off.
Can I try yours?
Peace. I guess my drink is a community drink.
Which side do you lick off of?
She licked over here.
Okay.
Happy holidays, everyone. That's a pretty...
Not pretty good.
So I'll drink the martini then. Can we get a picture here?
Oh, we didn't take a picture? I thought we were doing that whole time we were dinging.
And if you're interested in learning how to make the Blackberry Sangria from Carrabba's and the Dirty Martini, check the links down in the description. Ting, ting. Can we get a picture for the photographer here?
Oh, are we cutting? Is that a wrap? Can I take a shower?
How would you feel if I told you I didn't have it on?
I'd feel pretty bad.
Oh, good. I had it on.
Whew, we made
Take.
it.
Surprise, I'm working
Take
with a
one.
bunch of morons here.
Shout out to all my Bengals fans out there that we beat Pittsburgh last night. Hoo day. Hoo day.